Bears, the mighty kings of the wilderness. Some say they're fierce carnivores, others believe they live off berries and honey. But what do bears really eat? You might be surprised. Stick around because we're about to break some myths and uncover the truth about a bear's diet. Bears are omnivores. First things first. Most bears are omnivores. That means they eat both plants and animals. But here's where it gets interesting. Not all bears eat the same things. Their diet depends on their species and where they live. Let's break it down by bear type. The diet of different bear species. There are 8 species of bears in the world, and each has its own unique eating habits. Let's start with the most famous one, the American black bear. American black bears are actually mostly herbivores. About 85% of their diet consists of plants, berries, nuts, and roots. But don't be fooled. They can and will eat meat when given the chance. They'll scavenge from carcasses, catch fish, and sometimes even prey on small animals like rodents or deer fawns. Brown bear. Next we have the brown bear, including the famous Grizzly. These powerful giants have a more varied diet. They love fish, especially salmon, but they also eat berries, roots, insects, and even grass. Some brown bears even hunt large animals like moose, deer, or even bison. Talk about a protein-packed meal. Polar bear. Now let's talk about the true carnivore of the bear family, the polar bear. Unlike their brown and black cousins, polar bears almost exclusively eat meat. Their main diet? Seals. With their thick blubber, seals provide the fat polar bears need to survive in the freezing Arctic. They're expert hunters using stealth and patience to catch their prey. But due to climate change, some polar bears are adapting and eating more plants and scavenge food. Giant panda. Here's a weird one, the giant panda. You'd think that as a bear, it would eat meat. But nope, pandas mostly eat bamboo. In fact, bamboo makes up 99% of their diet. Even though pandas have the digestive system of a carnivore, they've adapted to survive almost entirely on plants. Occasionally, they might eat small animals or carrion, but that's pretty rare. Sloth bear. Next up, the sloth bear. These shaggy bears from India and Sri Lanka are insectivores. They love to eat termites and ants, using their long, flexible snouts to suck them up like a vacuum cleaner. They also enjoy fruits and honey. Unlike other bears, they rarely hunt for meat. Spectacled bear. Now let's head to South America and meet the spectacled bear. These bears are mostly vegetarian, eating fruits, leaves, and nuts. Occasionally, they might eat small animals, but their diet is about 90% plants. They're also great tree climbers. Sun bear. The sun bear, the smallest of all bears, is a big fan of honey. In fact, they're sometimes called honey bears. But they don't just eat honey. They love fruits, insects, and small animals too. They're excellent climbers and use their long tongues to get food from tight spots. Human impact on bear diets. Sadly, human activity is changing bear diets. Habitat destruction, climate change, and food scarcity force bears to eat more unnatural food, including human garbage. This can be dangerous, leading to conflicts between bears and people. It's important that we protect their habitats and keep our food out of their reach. So now you know bears have incredibly diverse diets. From berries to fish, bamboo to termites, each species has its own unique way of surviving. If you enjoyed learning about bears, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing wildlife facts. And tell us in the comments, which bear's diet surprised you the most? See you in the next video.